felt a lot of positivity place where I could achieve whatever I wanted in my life. Right,
So
right.
you have a schooling business, now you have set up an interior decoration business, and now you're opening another one,
Yeah.
right? तो
Yes.
ये वाला तो हो गया फिर
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
ये
डेट भी
वाला
फिक्स हो गया, 8th of August is the
Oh
date.
my God!
I'll
Congratulations!
send you an invite.
Sure, please. Matlab, I'm so happy with this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Manifest with Shilpa, and today I have Dipali Kondania with me. She is a businesswoman running multiple businesses, and before she joined me she did not know anything about manifestations, and now within 7-8 months she's been using manifestations in her personal and professional life, and she has received dramatic results. Let's talk to her. Let's hear from her. Hi Dipali, how are you today?
Hi Shilpa, I'm great. How are you?
I'm fantastic. So tell us about your journey. Did you know that manifestations work like this?
Not really. So I remember the first time I joined your master class, I was the
Mhm.
clueless one, wondering even what I'm doing there, what I'm doing
Okay.
attending that class.
Okay.
Because prior to that, I had a lot of, struggles in my personal life, and I was
Mhm.
looking all over for answers. And then I saw your reel on Instagram, and that's where I said, let me try this one last thing and see if it's actually works. And I
Okay.
remember messaging you the first time saying, I have absolutely no clue of what this is, and I don't even know what to do. And you explained, and I felt that, I should move forward and give it a try. And that's
Yeah.
how I joined you and I joined this manifestation journey.
Oh yeah, of course. And that was just a 90-minute session. It was a full
Yes,
moon
yes,
meditation.
yes,
And you made a deposit just in
yes,
90 minutes. So
yes.
what was that connect or shift that you felt during the workshop that you took
So
that
during,
decision?
yeah, so if I look back during the workshop, I felt a lot of positivity coming out of that workshop. I felt that this was finally a place where I could get answers to all my questions, and, a place where I could achieve whatever I wanted in my life, and a place where I could find happiness and positivity. So that's why, when you spoke about making the deposit tunnel, I think I was one of the first people to do that.
Yes, you did that quite immediately.
Yes,
And
yes,
that's what I loved about you because, the moment we are in a place without any doubt, we get maximum results. And
yeah,
so had been your results. So
yes,
let's talk about your first one-to-one session because you
right,
are a part of my one-to-one coaching.
yeah,
And after the deposit, we had the first session. So
right,
I clearly remember you told me 3 to 4 desires, and
yes.
I said, "That's it." And you were like, "Yeah." Do you remember that?
Yes, I do remember that. Because at that time, those were the things that I was really looking for, those four desires. One was related to my relationships, one was related to
Yeah.
my business, relationships with my daughter, with my partner. And
Hmm.
that's all I wanted. And
Yeah, yeah.
since those 7 8 months since I joined you, I've realized that manifestation is so much more. It changes you as a person. It's not just about achieving your desires. It's about changing your entire mental framework and being that positive person that you can be, and that's so much more than just achieving your
Oh,
desires.
yeah. It's about your own growth. And
Yes,
when you grow, you achieve those desires.
right,
And
right.
I remember your first desire came, I think, just after the first session, you saw the breakthrough.
Yes,
So
yes,
when you experienced your first manifestation, I think it was your relationship with your daughter, right?
right, right.
How did you feel about it?
I mean, it felt very surreal, to be honest. It's like, acha, aise bhi hota hai. This, you can, achieve your desires like this, which is something I never knew earlier. So it was amazing. It was really, that was one of the best, because as a mother or as a parent, the
Hmm.
relationship with the child is the most important. And, to improve that relationship and to get better with that relationship, I think that was really, really remarkable.
Yes, I think that is one of the most amazing experiences that people feel
Yes.
because the first effect comes is on us.
yeah,
right? Like you
yeah,
said, you are during the
right.
sessions, there is a shift that happens inside you
Yeah,
first,
yeah,
and then you see that shift inside your relationships,
yes, yes,
right? So
yeah,
relationships and relationship with your daughter and with your partner,
yeah,
right? So
yeah,
everything has, I think, let's say, dramatically improved.
yes,
That's the word.
absolutely.
If
Yeah,
you want to
yeah,
give it any other word, that's
yes,
the
yeah,
improved.
yeah, yeah,
So let's talk about money now. Did
right.
you know that manifestations work for money and business?
To be honest, when I joined, I didn't know, but now having experienced it, yes, I know that, and I would tell everybody to try it out because it does work. So,
Yes, it does work in
yeah,
business. So I'm working
yes,
on your business plan using the seven
yes,
chakra method,
yes,
and it is giving that phenomenal, shaping up of your business.
right,
So
right.
you have a schooling business, now you have set up an interior decoration business, and now you're opening another one,
Yeah,
right?
yes, yes. So my all my friends ask me, where do you get this energy from? And I'm like, I don't know. It's just that I'm filled with all this positive energy, and I feel that I'm growing, and I want everybody to grow with me, and that's how I think I'm just starting
I know.
businesses.
So we use that tool Shri Yantra, right?
Yes,
And
yes,
and your focus had been phenomenal. It has
yeah,
always been phenomenal. So
yes,
whenever I'm in sessions with you, I feel that energy. So does the people around you feel your energy and aura too, that it
yes,
is
yes.
changed?
They do. Like including my family, they feel they feel a lot of shift in a positive direction in me, and they've commented about it also. So yeah,
Of course, Dipali. Now you have become that version who's running these
yes,
businesses successfully, right?
right, right,
So, and our chat is usually filled with your good messages that, you have cracked this deal,
yes,
or new
yes,
clients you get, or,
yeah,
I think the admissions increase. So I
yes,
feel so awesome about it,
yeah, yeah,
because this is what it is, that
yeah,
together we are just, working on the power of manifestations for you.
absolutely, yeah, yeah,
So now, again, like today, again, you gave me two good news, like,
right, right,
right? So it's
yeah,
like news after news. So I really feel blessed, and I immediately want to surrender the results to the universe,
yes, yeah, yeah,
because it's just, I think we just did 8 or 9 sessions,
yeah, yeah.
right?
That's it.
And
Yeah,
it's just in 7 8 months the results
right.
have been dramatic. So now, what are your thoughts on other people, trying manifestations? Should they go for it? Because a lot of us are in the doubts.
Yeah,
Because you see,
yeah,
if you look at it, I am able to convince only 3 to 4% people
right.
to experience manifestations. What do you have to say to them?
So I would, so to all the people out there, I would say definitely give it a try because once you get into this manifestation journey and once you experience the first result out of this manifestation, your life will change and for the better. And then you'll never go back to that old version of you. So I would highly recommend that everybody gives it a try. But of course, you should be very positive about it. Don't
Mm.
doubt it. The moment any doubt comes, it might not work. So you have to be very positive and
Doubt free.
and believe in yourself, believe in your coach, and I
Yeah,
think manifestation is what will definitely improve everyone's lives,
yeah.
and change you for the better.
Of course. And I
Yeah.
have one thing I want to tell anyone who's listening to this and watching this, that Dipali had been very consistent with all the techniques, and she has followed everything. So her commitment, consistency, and surrender to the process, surrender to the
Yes.
universe,
Yes.
this had been phenomenal. Then this is phenomenal till date, and that's why her results are like this. Like, the way she got in, it was like totally doubt free. And I think she just had 1 to 1 with me. She signed up, and then result after result after result, and
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
continuing.
Absolutely.
And I look forward, to grow her as this entrepreneur who's running multiple businesses, and she's totally aligned with her purpose of what
Yeah.
she's doing in
Yeah.
this world. So
Yes.
one last question, just one or two last questions, Dipali.
Sure.
What do you think would have happened if you had decided not to go for this coaching?
Um, so if I if I look back and if I had decided not to go for the coaching, I think I would still have been struggling to find answers to whatever, things were happening in my life. And I would still be in that phase of constantly doubting myself
Mm.
and of that self doubt and, uh, roaming around trying to figure out what to do next. I wouldn't have been so sure of myself. So this manifestation journey has changed me for the better.
Yes.
Made me a more positive person.
Mm.
It's given me the confidence, and I no longer doubt myself, and I know that whatever I desire, I know how to achieve it. So that's what this journey has given me.
Yes,
So
amazing, amazing. So this is really, really empowering. And what
yes.
about your spirituality? Do you feel universe is with you? How
Yes,
does it go?
yes, absolutely. So, when you told me about the Sri Yantra, I've always, as I told you earlier, I used to follow Sri Yantra even before we connected, and I think that's why also we had a more of a connect because of
Yes.
that. But yes, it has developed. It has grown me spiritually also. I feel that the energy and the entire universe is aligned
Oh
towards.
yeah. And you are the child of universe.
Yes,
Universe is
absolutely.
always working in
Yes,
your favor.
always
And
working in my favor. So yes,
yes,
definitely.
yes.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
yeah.
So any advice for people who are waiting for the right time to come?
Uh, I would say now is the right time. Just go out there and start manifesting.
All right. Thank you so much for speaking to
You're
me,
welcome.
Dipali. And this is just a beginning
Yes.
because it's just 7, 8 months and loads of things are coming for you. Keep
Yeah.
manifesting.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Please do leave the comments below, people who you're watching, anything that you want to ask, and we'll be happy to answer. All right. Bye bye.